Hey guys, Drew here with the last video in this free training. Today we're going to talk about reporting. Let me get comfortable here. So reporting can mean different things to different people, and you can report on all areas of your business. But specifically what I want to do is just kind of talk to you about campaign reporting, because you go to all the effort, you build your funnel, you spend your ad money, you get people into your funnel or your campaign, and then you don't really track what's happening. So there's a couple ways I like to look at reporting. I love visual reporting, so here's some different reports that I have for different funnels. But what I want to do is jump over into the campaign, and let me actually go into the same app, the Sandbox app, and let's go look at the campaign that we set up earlier. Just make sure I'm getting the right one here. It was lead magnet demo. And we set up some, let's see, we set up a tag here, opted in. Okay. All right, so now what I would do is I would go over to my dashboard. Actually, first go to contacts. And what you have to do is you have to set up a search for each of the tags you have set up. So, right, let's go, let's type in lead magnet, and we got this one. We said opted in, needs to download. So let's go ahead and save search. And then here, I'm going to just put opted in for lead magnet. Needs to download. I'm not going to focus too much on the naming right now. I just want to show you what you would do. So then I'll go back to a new search. And go here. Let's go find the other tags. So we did this one. Let's say this. Let's say this. Save that. So once I have all my tags, so I would go through the entire campaign. I would do a save search for every tag. So then I have a save search. Then come here to your dashboard and click Add Widgets. And then I would come down here and I would get the custom statistics. Go ahead and add this to the dashboard. And right here I would say show me this one, save and add. Save and add, and even though I think I have another search in here, so let's see, even though this wasn't in my campaign, I'll just leave it. I don't want to confuse it, so let's go ahead and hit, right, and then let's say campaign stats. Go ahead and save this. All right, what's this? Here, cancel this. Okay, so here now I can rename this. This is what I was trying to do here. Campaign stats. So I would save this here. Now I would have my searches here. Now you can drag these around and put them in whatever order you want. And what's nice about this is if you have, right, and I might even say, you know, this might be lead magnet XYZ because that's what we were calling it. And then here, if I had a bunch of different campaigns, I could have them all in here and I'd have all my stats right here. So there's no numbers here because there's no one in here. But if I click 0 or whatever the number was, then it would open up those contacts. So that's how I like to build my reports. Now, if you want any more information on how to set up visual reporting, just use the button below and we can jump on and do a Skype session. But that's kind of the essence of what I do is I start with mapping out my campaigns, I build the shells, I set up the integrations, I do the tags, and then I end with the reporting. So at the end of every campaign, I'm left with the reporting here. And then at that point, the next thing I do is then track everything. So as you start putting contacts through the funnel, then you can start to track the effectiveness of each component of the funnel. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. I appreciate you watching. And by all means, use the button below, schedule a free Skype strategy session with me. We'll jump on, share your screen, and I'll help you in any way I can. All right, thanks.